A bit more about terminology. When folks are discussing the market, sometimes they talk about it in terms of, is this a bull market? Is this a bear market? A bull market is associated with increasing investor confidence and increased investing in anticipation of future price increases. This is typically when the market is going up and has gone up for a period of time. A bear market, conversely, is defined as a general decline in the stock market over a period of time. It's a transition from a high investor optimism to widespread fear and pessimism. A generally accepted measure is a price decline of plus or minus 20% over at least a 2-month period. Another aspect of the market that's worth considering is sectors. The U.S. market is divided into a number of different sectors, and if you want to limit your market risk, you would want to diversify into various markets and various sectors. And by doing so, you're reducing your portfolio's dependence on a single market or sector, and you're also reducing your risk. Here is a snapshot from an app called StockTouch that provides an overall view of the market on a particular day divided into 9 sectors. If you were to look at one of these sectors, it's called consumer goods. An example are the following companies: Nike, Hershey, Whirlpool, and Kraft. That makes sense. Another U.S. sector is services. Who provides services? Just an example. There are many companies that do, but you might be familiar with Netflix, Starbucks, American Airlines, and Expedia. The third market we want to cover is healthcare. And here are 4 examples: United Health Group, Amgen, Aetna, and St. Jude Medical. The fourth market that we want to identify is energy, and examples of these companies are ExxonMobil, Halliburton, Chevron, and Diamond Offshore Drilling. In the technology sector, you'll recognize names such as Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Facebook. Number 6 in the markets there, or the sectors that we're following, are the financials, and included in that group would be Allstate, Berkshire Hathaway, U.S. Bancorp, and Goldman Sachs. The number 7 sector we want to look at are industrial goods, and these would be represented by Honeywell International, Boeing Company, Stanley Black & Decker, and General Electric. Number 8 in the sector watch are basic materials. These could include WD-40, Monsanto, Alcoa, and U.S. Steel. And the final sector that we wanted to identify and give you some examples of is the utility sector. And this would include companies such as American Waterworks, Chesapeake Utilities, Duke Energy, and Edison International.